How to make or create a calendar on Canva app fast and easy in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a calendar on Canva app in easy fast way. So all what you have to do is go to Canva like this and go to the search bar right here and search for calendar. After you search for it, click on the calendar here and wait a few seconds and you will find the designs. Now click on any design and you will be able to edit it as you want, easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.